So this is the test for Galaxy S22 Ultra and a6400. Should I use this or should I use S22 Ultra? I'm leaving iPhone, guys. What in the world, bro? I'm in Vietnam right now. What the yo? I need to activate this. Stand by, guys. S22 Ultra with the GPS. A6400 is on auto mode. Oh, whoa, this is a spider web. Imagine we get lost here, bro. We have some people's coming, I think. Stand by. Yo, what's up, guys? S22 Ultra review on YouTube. Zoom test. No. Woo! Guys, how's the video look like? Where we come from? We came from here. And I found the capitalism. 30 FPS. There's a house right in the park. Then we found them, guys. We found the turtles. That's a turtles. Oh, that's a turtle. 12 o'clock. Yeah. Control center. Start up the warm-up process. 1. Ignition. Oh my god. Guys, where the hell am I right now? This is so beautiful here. Yo, I found another nature preserves. What in the world is this place? Control center, secure the perimeter.
Perimeter secured.
Scan this area, scan this area.
Scanning perimeter.
Deactivate the 8K. Just do a regular 4K mode. Regular 4K mode. Activate.
4K 30 FPS activated.
Ladies and gentlemen, I found a new nature preserve. Holy shit. Oh my god, guys. This is so damn beautiful. And you have a field over here. Here's my car. I am so excited to be here. You know what? Activate director mode.
Director mode.
Activate. This is so beautiful. Wait, you had a cuts here? We had a cuts. Look, guys, we have a cuts right there. Should I use this or should I use Galaxy S? Where's my car key? Because I don't want it to get locked up. Wow, yo, guys, look. Yo, this is... I can hear the crickets. I remember last time we had a situations like this. We made a video similar to this. Yo, oh my goodness. So I decided to not stay home with my computer and decided to come here with the new Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm gonna be posting this video on a nature department, not on the tech. What? We have a water here. Yo, you see this, guys? I'm leaving iPhone, guys. Yo, what? I'm definitely leaving iPhone. And last time we did one of the preserve park on Little Neck area in Queens. Some of you guys know New York, by the way. Today we're in Long Island. Whoa, what is that? There's a cat there. I just saw a cat. See, I cannot really zoom in right now, guys, because oh my god, you hear the tree leaves? There's not even a single human here in this tunnel. Yeah, so damn beautiful. Nobody here. I feel like I'm in a, like, what's the point of traveling in the other side of the world, man? Look, if you can do everything in New York or Long Island, I don't see any point of traveling anymore. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. Perfect time. I can also test out my new camera. Well, not new camera, with a wide lens. So, but now we got the S22 Ultra. This is technically the last day of the summerish day, so I thought to bring this thing in. And this is such amazing experience. We have a bamboo trees here. What, guys? Thank God I got out from my house today. What is over here? This is a house. No, this is gonna take you to the regular road. Let's get to the bamboo shoots, guys. What in the world, bro? I'm in Vietnam right now. Look at this. What the yo? You know what? Let me deactivate. Hang on. I need to activate this. This is crazy. Stand by, guys. Stand. Okay, I need to do this. Here it is, guys. Let's do this. S22 Ultra with a GPS and camera and dual camera with a director view. In-depth bamboo shoots over here, like all green here. Look at that. The camera on S, yo. If you see this, this is all green color here. This is right on the ground is like all green, like literally everything is green here. Yeah, because the photosynthesis over here. Yo, this is so damn beautiful. My goodness. We're gonna have a one hell of a memory here in future. Look at that. See, I see some color difference on S22 Ultra, a6400 Sony camera. I don't see the color, but maybe it need to be color graded. A6400 is on a auto mode. How you guys think? Do you guys feel the noise, man? Imagine we get lost here. It will be so. Whoa, this is a spider web. Imagine we get lost here, bro. Like. Bro. Not even a single dirt. Not even a single dirt here, guys. I hear some noise. Okay, where is... We have some people's coming, I think. Stand by. I think we're approaching some people. Where is this people noise? I see an old track here. What, we have a river? Guys, we have a river here. Yo, what's up, guys? Woo. S22 Ultra review on YouTube. Yeah. All right, let's do the zoom. All right, guys, we found a company. Look at that zoom test.
No.
Woo. All right.
Finest. This is nature at its finest.
Awesome.
Nature at its finest.
Yo, I think I had to go around, right? Like this?
Around.
Ow.
Look, it's alright. It's only a vibe. It's okay.
Just in case.
Right.
Just in case. EHKO Instagram.
I don't got no shit.
My one is.
Try to meet.
I did.
Try to meet because maybe we could collab because we're here to.
All right, my one is for.
Okay, we gonna look you up.
Because we're content creators too. Wait, wait.
Gonna see a head.
KT Delta.
Yeah, D.
I
A
got
guy.
the truth today.
This is so beautiful.
Today, I'm in
Okay.
nature. Okay.
We're here to guide his first experience.
I got you. This is amazing, man.
Like, we're in nature. Like, this is nature.
I love it. I love nature.
It won't be the last day of good weather. I promise you.
I got you. I like the energy.
To the street, that's where we're gonna go.
Over there? All right, got you. You're gonna see a head, a lot of heads. It's one head, but multiple color. You'll see on Instagram, TikTok.
KT Delta.
Wow, this one, multiple color flags.
Yes, that's it. They're all linked together.
See?
Bro.
He's gonna meet us over
All right, let me see. Let me go. Yeah, this is so cool. See, collaboration. They said that I can meet up with them, but where? Good spirit people. Bro, I got lost. You know what? Let's go find my car because I don't want to get lost over here, guys. My only concern is what if there's a snake here. All right, guys, how's the video look like? Where we come from? We came from here. I feel like we have a Blair Witch project. I'm already getting a lot of scratch. Where we came from this side, right? All right, I'm gonna go back wherever it was. Bro, that's it. You know what? Go back to this side. Here's the street. That's it. Here's the street. Oh my God. All right, government, capitalism. I found the capitalism, guys. Oh, okay, so where is my car again? Good to be back in a capitalism, but wait, I don't get it. This is a dead end. Let's go back, find my car. Beautiful Mother Nature, look at this. So I found some really cool people. They're also experiencing something nature, and they were saying that the street is right there. We thought we're gonna all meet in this one street, but we lost it. When are we gonna take you guys to the city again? Soon? I don't know. Should have known about this in the summertime. Basically, all these waters are like merging together. We're back to Galaxy S22 Ultra, 30 FPS. There's a house right in the park. There's another house right near the park. There you are. The park comes in over here and it ends right there. This is called Massapequa Park, guys. So nice. People are stopping their car. Like they think I'm gonna cross the road, so they're being so nice. Look at that. Beautiful, man, beautiful. We have another road here. All right, guys, so this is the test for Galaxy S22 Ultra. We saw some collaborator on the way. And this is some of the greatest thing. When you go out, you never know who you can meet. So that was great. My battery is kind of running out. That was a test for Galaxy S22 Ultra and a6400. Over. Check out my Instagram, Nature Channel. Check out my TikTok, Nature Channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Look at that. All by himself. Alone on the nature. Who is this special car? Imagine if the engine does not start right now. That would be crazy. Control center. Start up the warm-up process.
Initiating startup.
In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Startup complete.
It's really hot here. Look, 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 look. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh, guys, we found them. We found them, guys. We found them. What's up, Chile? Really? Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
That sounds like your No, I gotta carefully take it down by a hand.
Ouch. Yeah, you gotta be careful on that. Uh-huh. No, that's a turtles. That's a turtles.
Oh, that's a turtle.
12 o'clock, yeah.
But there's the other side of it. There's more lakes on the.
It's so clear. It's so clear water here. This is amazing. Instead of going to Central Park from here to like 1 hour drive, like.
Actually, in Nassau County, there's a bunch of them too. There's one that has a fucking treasure.
Southern State Park.
No, it's.
I go to Jones Beach. I don't go.
Cushing. It's Cushing. I could.